game and I mean, you go and get your papa flag.
She kind of rough that way, but she's nice sometimes, you know? I know kind of woman to her. Me love how she rap, man.
Rap? Then I was not around me two big old people like for the piano.
And I'm picking around me and talk about, you know. When me talk about this, you know what I mean, man, you know what I mean.
No, Sam, you don't know what you mean, Anyway, let me go get 2 drinks in the tour, you know, and then you can give me in more details the technique of the ramping. Something wrong, man. That was mess up. And something spoiled.
She just takes it for me. No, she search up my things and accuse me of Wally Patty.
Wally Patty that was as she catch you with, man?
No, man, no, that man. I don't let her.
Letter? Right, you can write your love letter.
Now, Mavis, I write me from England.
Mavis? You mean big titty Mavis? Mavis smart and we're going to England for all these years and not come back. And I wish she write you back. Not tell me. You mean the old fire stick is about to catch up again? Well, Zaki boy, me never know say you still got Mavis Morgan on your mind after all these years.
She just write me tell me say she'll come.
No, look.
She search up my things and find the letter and read it before me even could I read it. No, you read this and tell me if you say anything I from her and kill me for.
Boy, Mr. Man, I like fasting and people business here, sir. So I mean, I read nobody letter. Anyway, let me try it now. Dear Zaki, I hope when D-E-S-E, I must these. Few lines of mine reaches you, it may find you in the best of health. But I could have swear I read that letter you already.
Worry, man, worry. And when you finish, I want to opinion. You worry.
How are you? I hope you are taking care of yourself for me. Like I am taking care of myself for you. Rock store. I am writing to tell you that the plan I mentioned to you some time ago is now about to work out. So wait, repeat. She a file for you.
I know your business that man. Worry.
Well, since none of my business, take back your business then. No man, take back your business. Sci-fi out for yourself. Sci-fi out, man.
Worry.
Oh, God. I will be leaving London soon, on my way to New York, and then to head straight for home, and to see you again after these long times. Love, babies. Yes, Mama. Some people, your girl maybe say come.
And then let us say, what it look like it in a post office for a long time, you know? I look like she there already. And she's here. And that she want to come kill me for.
But that one Mercy, if you catch news fast, don't you, man? You know, I think that woman should be working with cable and wireless, you know. Well, me fee, if you realize you find yourself in the one big bowl of sour pickle. But see that guy I'm bridging from long time, and I've got to show you a few tactics of the people, darling.
Hey, Sean, man, I want that.
Darling, I'm alone in the wilderness, nobody come and how we all look for me there?
I the one Zaki me and chat, where there?
All laugh, sporting, me not seem to know much weak stuff, me don't know where there.
Are you friend? So me don't expect nothing better.
Aye, me say me not see the man for how much me no man and look, you know, furthermore, me not business in anybody business, so don't come back here.
Hey, Allah, see him.
Him no must have gone at all.
Allah, see
Me
him.
say the man must have gone at all.
But you see the old grip there. Me would have recognized that then anyway. But you said for me for there.
Put it down! I said me put it down! You blasted sassafras, you. If you want to kill your man, we no time of dragging go down the machine like them damn dog.
Me not Johnny, me not Shalman. Me not Johnny, but watch out.
Yes, master. And now you have to say how she can pressure you. I don't believe that. And when you're done, you come talk or you can't understand why Zaki won't marry to you. Well, see, never nyami. Because you're not deserving of him anywhere. Poor thing. All right, never ball no more. Wipe your eye. Well, sir, I can't imagine And that the woman there, you come over here to me and tell me say your boy was married to.